Hello guys, welcome to HDev. My name is Agane Friday. This is the first video of our Node.js series, and please subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification bell if you want to follow up with this series, because this series is going to be interesting and also educative. If you are a beginner, this is the right place for you. And if you also know a little bit about Node.js, it's also the right place for you because you are going to benefit a lot from this series. So let's dive right in. So let's start with what is Node.js. Node.js is an open source, cross-platform, backend or server JavaScript runtime environment. And open source in the sense that it can be used by anyone. It can also be modified by anyone and also distributed. You can distribute it. It's cross-platform because you can use it on Linux, Windows, Mac OS. We refer to it as backend or server JavaScript runtime environment because it runs outside the browser, the web browser, and it uses Google Chrome V8 engine. We refer to it as runtime environment because it is an environment where programs or applications are executed. So that's what we meant by runtime environment. So sometimes some people take it to be a framework. Node.js is not a framework, it's a runtime environment. If you are talking about framework, that means you are referring to Express.js, which is a framework that runs on Node.js runtime environment. So we are going to talk about the special things, that's the special features of Node.js. So these are the features that makes Node.js special. It's event driven. That means it is used to make the occurrence of multiple events happen at the same time. And this is achievable by the use of callback functions. And it is the main reason why Node.js is very fast. Another feature is that is asynchronous. That is, it runs code simultaneously. It doesn't wait for a code to finish before it executes another one. It runs it simultaneous. When one, maybe the code is taking longer to execute, it will be running that one, then move to the next code and continue running the code, whereby it makes the application to be interactive even when a code is running. And another feature is it is non-blocking. That is, it proceeds to the next operation when it's running an operation and the operation is taking time. It proceeds to the next operation instead of wasting time waiting for the executing operation to finish before it executes the next operation. It will proceed to the next one and continue with that one. When that one too is executing, it will move to the next one, making everything to be fast and seamless. And the last feature we are going to talk about is it is single threaded. It's because of this single threaded nature of Node.js. That's why Node.js performs faster than other back-end runtime environments. So what we mean by single threaded is that it finishes an operation before it executes another one. Maybe when you are requesting something from the server, it will finish the request before it moves to another one. It reduces the load on the server, because if it takes everything in at once, it will make the server to be overloaded, whereby causing the server to be slow. So that being said, we are going to talk about the benefits of using Node.js. Node.js makes our application to be scalable, whereby it is flexible. When we have a lot of requests, it can handle it seamlessly. And when we have less requests, it can also handle the request seamlessly. So it is scalable. We don't need to make an adjustment because we have multiple requests just for our server to be able to take those requests. And if we have few requests, it can also handle them. That is what we mean by Node.js makes our application to be scalable. And it also have nice ecosystem because there are many libraries for you to use and many tools which you can use for your Node.js projects. There are many things there are many resources that you can use. So it has a very good, nice, and rich ecosystem, which will make your development journey easier. And it is seamless with JSON because JSON is the native format for Node.js payload. That is, when you are sending requests, you send the data as JSON. And most of the modern front-end frameworks you also works with JSON seamlessly. So another thing is that it has a very good community, as in it has a good and large community where if you have any issue, you can easily post it and people that have more experience than you can put you through. So when you are stuck, you can voice it out and people will help you through your difficulties and everything will be easier for you. And the last thing we have here is the performance. Node.js performs well. It is very, very, very fast. And many companies switch to Node.js because of the high performance. Like companies like Netflix are using Node.js, Walmart, Uber, and even PayPal. They are using Node.js. Node.js is very good. If you are learning Node.js now, I believe you are in the right direction. So please stick around so that we will learn Node.js together. And at the end of this series, you can say that you can build a project with Node.js. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and also share it with your friends since it's a new series. I believe you need to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.